Good morning, all my friends. Today, what we're going to discuss is this little device. You found it in most of the adapters, like this one. You will see it comes here in the end here, and they say press or reset. This is just a safety device. The life of the supply voltage goes in here and it goes out here. The only thing that's inside here is just a contact and a little plate, a bimetal plate that when it heats up, it changes its shape and then it opens a contact and then you reset it when it cools down. Let's look inside and I can show you exactly how it works. This one is broken already. There's a little the point that you can press it. Let me just open it here. You can see here is the little plate that I'm talking about. There's a contact. So once the live goes in here, it makes contact with this little plate. There's a contact like a relay and it makes contact with the other side. But let's just break this thing open here that you can see. You can show how that thing works. Okay. It actually works when the current is too much, when what you draw through your adapter, then this little plate heats up. I think it's after 16 amps what a normal adapter or wall socket can handle. Then it heats up. But this little bimetal plate, they put copper or like a type of brass over normal mild steel. Then because of the brass expanding more on with heat, and then it changes shape. It forces the shape of the thing to turn over. Now I'm going to heat it up with my blowtorch. You can see the shape of the thing. And then we're gonna go and we can heat up this device and we can see how this thing actually, let me just put more light here. Go here. Okay, I'm gonna heat it up. You can see what's happening. It turns the indent is this side. Now what you do with this, the button, you actually press it from the outside and then you reset it again. When it cools down, it goes like this side again. You can see, let me just take it out here. See, and they just put it underneath here so that it can rest on that little brass. We can pick up the heat. I want to show you now nicely. I'm going to focus here quickly. There you can see, look at the shape. Here when it's hot, when it cools down, you can go back to its original shape again. Okay, so now you know how this little safety device work. You get it in different shapes and sizes, from motors, swimming pool motors, but most of them is in this power adapters from the wall socket in your house. So when it pushes this one out, it's like open the contact, and when you press it, it goes back and then it works again. But this thing is actually a nuisance. They tend to arc here, and then it causes a bad connection. I normally take them out. They overheat and they melt and they looks bad. So this is how it works. So this is a little device. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.